Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use WhatsApp web on computer or laptop. So let's get started. It's very easy. You can simply follow along in order to know how to do that. So you're going to open any browser such as Edge, Microsoft, Mozilla, whichever you want. And once you do so, you'll be able to see a search bar. So you're going to type in WhatsApp web. Here, you got to make sure you click on the official WhatsApp website, that is web.whatsapp.com. Click on that and you'll be able to see a QR code right in front of you. So you're going to head over to your phone and then go to the profile at the bottom right. Click on linked devices and then click on link a device at the top. You'll be able to see your camera open in front of you. You're going to adjust your camera with the QR code, and once the QR code is scanned, you'll be redirected to your WhatsApp. So if you're logging into WhatsApp web for the first time, syncing will take quite a while. And once everything is synced, you'll be able to see all of the chats listed over here. And now it's pretty much the same, just like the WhatsApp application you use on your device. Just the options are basically moved around here and there, but you get used to it once you start using the WhatsApp web. And that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.